Imagine traveling to 10 countries in a year, all while keeping your wallet happy. Sounds like a dream, right? But it's not only possible, it's the reality I lived. Picture yourself navigating bustling marketplaces, scaling majestic mountains, soaking up sun on pristine beaches, all without breaking the bank. The excitement of discovery, the thrill of the unknown, and yes, the challenges of tight budget travels, they all added to the richness of this year-long journey. So how did I manage this? Let's unravel the secret. Traveling on a budget isn't always smooth sailing. There are common hurdles that many of us face. Picture this. You've saved up for months, meticulously planned your itinerary, but then you stumble upon the steep prices of flights. It's like a punch in the gut, isn't it? And let's not even start on the high-cost accommodations. You're looking for a comfortable place to crash, not a hole in your wallet. Then, there's the infamous tourist trap. You're excited to experience the local culture, only to realize that these overpriced attractions are draining your budget quicker than a leaky faucet. It's frustrating, isn't it? It's like a game of chess where your opponent is your own budget. But don't worry, every problem has a solution, and I'm here to share mine with you. Navigating through these challenges is easier than you think, with the right hacks, of course. Let's start with flights. Here's a tip. Be flexible with your travel dates and destinations. Use airfare comparison websites and apps to find the cheapest flights. Set up alerts for price drops and be ready to book when the price is right. Next, accommodations. Consider alternatives to hotels such as hostels, vacation rentals, or even house swapping. These options can be significantly cheaper and offer a more authentic local experience. Speaking of local experiences, don't fall into tourist traps. Eat where the locals eat, visit less popular attractions, and use public transportation. You'll save money and get a real feel for the place. Choosing budget-friendly destinations is also a smart move. Countries in Southeast Asia, Eastern Europe, and Central America are known for their affordability and rich cultures, but the ultimate hack is yet to come. The ultimate travel hack that saved me hundreds of dollars on a luxury experience is, drumroll please, leveraging reward points and credit card miles. It's as simple as this. Use a travel rewards credit card for your everyday expenses. These cards offer points or miles for every dollar spent, which can then be redeemed for free or discounted flights, hotel stays, and even car rentals. And the best part? You're earning these rewards for purchases you would have made anyway. Now the trick is to pay off your balance in full each month to avoid interest charges. And always remember, the key to maximizing your rewards is to use your card wisely and responsibly. With a little bit of strategic spending and a lot of savvy, you can jet off to your dream destination without breaking the bank. With this hack, luxury travel experiences are no longer just dreams. In a nutshell, traveling on a budget is all about being smart and flexible. Remember, finding cheap flights, accommodations, and local experiences are key. Planning ahead and being adaptable can save you hundreds. With these hacks, you too can travel like a boss. Now that you're armed with these travel budget hacks, it's time to start your own adventure. Be sure to share your personal budget tips in the comments and subscribe for more travel wisdom. Remember, the world is yours to explore, so pack your bags and let the journey begin.